Our story begins millions of years ago, in a time when the Earth was a vastly different place. The continents were still shifting and the climate was undergoing dramatic changes. In the heart of Africa, a land of immense diversity and beauty, the stage was set for a remarkable chapter in the history of life on Earth. The continent was teeming with life. From the vast herds of herbivores grazing on the savannas, to the predators lurking in the shadows, every corner of this land was alive with activity. Among this abundance were the first hominins, our ancient ancestors. These early beings were part of a diverse group of primates that roamed the forests and grasslands. These weren't yet humans as we know them. They were a blend of traits, some familiar and some alien, that would eventually give rise to our species. But they were the starting point of an incredible journey. A journey that would span millions of years and countless generations, leading to the emergence of Homo sapiens. These early hominins lived in trees like many primates. They ate mostly plants, relying on the rich vegetation of their environment to sustain them. They were small in size and not so different from other apes. Their bodies were adapted for climbing and foraging, making them well suited to their arboreal lifestyle. Yet, hidden within their genes was the potential for something extraordinary. This genetic blueprint would slowly but surely set the stage for the evolution of more advanced hominins. This potential would slowly unfold over countless generations. Each small change, each adaptation, brought these early hominins one step closer to becoming human. This would lead to the emergence of humankind. The journey from these early ancestors to modern humans is a story of survival, adaptation, and innovation. Scientists are still uncovering the mysteries of these early hominins. Fossil discoveries provide clues, each one a piece of the puzzle that helps us understand our origins. Each new find helps us piece together the story of our origins. From fragments of bones to ancient tools, every discovery adds to our knowledge of the past. It's a story that takes us back to the very roots of what it means to be human, a story that connects us to the distant past and shows us how far we've come. It's a story that continues to unfold even today. As we make new discoveries and learn more about our ancestors, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. One of the most defining moments in human evolution was the emergence of bipedalism. This is the ability to walk upright on two legs. This development set hominins on a unique evolutionary path. It distinguished them from their ape relatives. Walking upright freed the hands for new tasks. Hominins could now carry food and tools more easily. This was a huge advantage in the African savanna. They could travel longer distances in search of resources. This new way of moving also gave them a better view of their surroundings. They could spot predators and prey more easily. This change in posture also had other significant effects. It influenced the shape of the hominin skeleton. The pelvis, spine, and skull all adapted to accommodate bipedalism. These adaptations would continue to shape the bodies of our ancestors for millions of years. They laid the foundation for the human form we recognize today. As hominins continued to evolve, one group emerged with a distinct advantage: Australopithecus. These early hominins roamed the African savannas and forests, adapting to a variety of environments. Their ability to walk upright on two legs, known as bipedalism, was a significant evolutionary step. This adaptation allowed them to cover long distances more efficiently, see over tall grasses, and free their hands for other tasks, such as carrying food or using tools. These early humans still possessed ape-like features. Their faces were more protruding, with larger jaws and teeth suited for a diet that included tough plant material. Despite these primitive traits, Australopithecus showed remarkable adaptability, but they were fully bipedal and possessed larger brains than their predecessors. This increase in brain size, though modest, provided them with enhanced cognitive abilities. They could process information more effectively, which likely contributed to their survival in diverse and changing environments. This increase in brain size marked a significant step in cognitive development. It laid the groundwork for more complex behaviors and social interactions. The ability to think ahead, solve problems, and communicate more effectively would become crucial in the evolutionary journey of hominins. Among the Australopithecines, a new species emerged around 2.8 million years ago, Homo habilis. Known as the handyman, Homo habilis represents a pivotal moment in human evolution. This species exhibited a combination of primitive and advanced traits, bridging the gap between earlier hominins and later members of the genus Homo. This handyman is believed to be the first hominin to make and use tools. The tools, primarily made of stone, were simple but effective. They included sharp-edged flakes for cutting and pointed tools for digging. These innovations marked the beginning of the Oldowan tool culture, named after the Olduvai Gorge in Tanzania, where many of these tools were discovered. These tools, though primitive, allowed them to access new food sources. They could cut through tough animal hides, break open bones to extract marrow, and dig for tubers and roots. This dietary flexibility gave Homo habilis a significant survival advantage. They could now scavenge meat from carcasses and dig for tubers. This ability to exploit a wider range of food sources meant that Homo habilis could thrive in various environments, from open savannas to wooded areas. Their diet was not only more varied but also more nutritious. This shift to a more meat-based diet had profound effects on Homo habilis' evolution. Meat is a rich source of protein and essential nutrients, which are crucial for brain development. The increased consumption of meat likely provided the necessary energy to support a growing brain. Meat is a rich source of nutrients. It contains high levels of protein, fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are vital for the development and maintenance of brain tissue. The inclusion of meat in their diet may have been a key factor in the continued growth and complexity of the Homo habilis brain. This dietary change is believed to have fueled further brain growth. As their brains grew larger, Homo habilis developed more advanced cognitive abilities. They could plan more effectively, communicate more complex ideas, and engage in more sophisticated social interactions. With a larger brain, Homo habilis could develop more complex social structures and problem-solving abilities. They likely lived in small groups, cooperating to find food, protect each other, and care for their young. These social bonds would have been crucial for their survival and success. This set the stage for the emergence of even more intelligent hominins. The evolutionary journey from Australopithecus to Homo habilis was marked by significant advancements in bipedalism, brain size, tool use, and social complexity. These developments laid the foundation for the continued evolution of the human lineage, leading to the emergence of Homo erectus, Homo neanderthalensis, and eventually Homo sapiens. Section 4, Out of Africa, the journey of Homo erectus. Around 1.9 million years ago, a new hominin appeared on the scene, Homo erectus. This species was taller and more intelligent than its predecessors. It possessed a significantly larger brain. Homo erectus was also the first hominin to migrate out of Africa. Their journey took them across vast distances. They spread throughout Asia and Europe. This migration was a testament to their adaptability and resourcefulness. They faced new environments and challenges. They learned to survive in a variety of habitats. This expansion out of Africa was a pivotal moment in human history. It marked the beginning of humans' global dominance. Homo erectus's ability to adapt to diverse environments paved the way for the spread of our species to every corner of the planet. Section 5. Mastering Fire and Tools. Early technological advancements. The journey of human evolution is marked by several pivotal moments, and the mastery of fire and the development of tools are among the most significant. These advancements not only changed the way early humans lived, but also set the foundation for future innovations. The mastery of fire was a game changer for Homo erectus. Before this, early humans were at the mercy of the elements, relying solely on natural sources of heat and light. The ability to create and control fire meant that they could now generate warmth and light on demand, transforming their daily lives in profound ways. Fire provided warmth in colder climates. This was especially crucial during ice ages and in regions with harsh winters. The warmth from the fire allowed early humans to inhabit areas that were previously uninhabitable, expanding their range and increasing their chances of survival. It offered protection from predators. The bright flames and smoke of a fire could deter many dangerous animals, providing a safer environment for early humans to live and sleep. This newfound security allowed them to focus more on other aspects of survival, such as hunting and gathering. It revolutionized their cooking methods, making food safer and easier to digest. Cooking over an open flame not only improved the taste of food, but also reduced the risk of consuming harmful bacteria and parasites. This advancement in food preparation had significant health benefits, contributing to the overall well-being of early human communities. This control over fire was a crucial step in human evolution. It marked a turning point where early humans began to manipulate their environment to better suit their needs, showcasing their growing intelligence and adaptability. Alongside the control of fire, Homo erectus continued to develop more sophisticated tools. These tools were not just for basic survival, but also for improving their quality of life. The creation of tools required planning, skill, and an understanding of materials, reflecting the cognitive advancements of early humans. They crafted hand axes, cleavers, and scrapers from stone. These tools were meticulously shaped and sharpened, indicating a high level of craftsmanship and knowledge of stone properties. Each tool had a specific purpose, whether it was for cutting, scraping, or shaping other materials. These tools were used for a variety of purposes, from hunting and butchering animals to woodworking and building shelters. The versatility of these tools made them indispensable in daily life. They enabled early humans to perform tasks more efficiently and effectively. They helped with hunting, butchering animals, and woodworking. The ability to hunt larger game and process meat more efficiently provided a more reliable food source. Woodworking tools allowed for the construction of better shelters and other structures, further enhancing their living conditions. These technological advancements demonstrate their growing cognitive abilities. The development and use of tools required problem-solving skills, forward planning, and the ability to learn and pass on knowledge. This intellectual growth was a key factor in the continued evolution of the human species. The ability to control fire and create tools had a profound impact on Homo erectus's lifestyle. It allowed them to adapt to a wide range of environments, improve their diet, and enhance their overall quality of life. These advancements were not just about survival, but also about thriving and progressing as a species. They could now exploit a wider range of resources. With the help of tools, early humans could access and utilize materials that were previously out of reach. This ability to gather and process diverse resources contributed to their resilience and adaptability. They could better protect themselves from the elements. Improved shelters, combined with the warmth and protection provided by fire, meant that early humans could withstand harsh weather conditions and create more stable living environments. These advancements allowed them to thrive in new and challenging environments, whether it was dense forests, open plains, or cold tundras. The combination of fire and tools enabled early humans to adapt and flourish in diverse habitats. They set the stage for the emergence of even more advanced human species. The innovations of Homo erectus laid the groundwork for future generations, paving the way for the development of more complex societies and technologies. These early technological advancements were the first steps on a long journey of human progress.